Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Frenchie. My name is Francesca, but you could call me Francesca or Frenchie, whichever one you like. Girl, call me that. I am here today doing a little bit of an empty apartment tour with you guys. I just moved here to the Dallas, Texas area. Well, let me not lie to y'all. I've been here for a week now. I moved in last Sunday, the 30th of October. But it's just been a crazy week, you guys. Trying to get everything together for my apartment. I realized upon editing this video, I didn't film an intro for you guys. I'm loving it here. I actually have a vlog that I'll be posting after this. I just have to edit that one. FYI, you're probably going to see me in this little outfit for my other intro. Just don't mind me, listen. I'm just trying to get an intro for y'all because I didn't want to post no video, rinky dink. This will just be my quick little empty apartment tour so you guys can see where your girl is living. I love it. I'm really just enjoying this opportunity and the doors that God has opened for me. It's bittersweet. It's very surreal. So yeah, I'm not about to keep doing all the talking with y'all. I know you guys want to see the apartments. Just know your girl is loving it and I'm very blessed, very thankful, grateful, all of that in one. Before we get started with today's video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Y'all already know the drill. Like, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what you doing? We need to have a conversation about this. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get into this quick apartment tour. Okay, you guys, so a quick empty apartment tour because I already have my friend going downstairs to like unload some stuff from my car. This is the front door, as you can see. And then this right here leads to my washer and dryer. Washer right here, and there's some space up here. And this is gonna be some space that I have for organizing. I definitely have some plans for that. This is just where they keep my AC unit, so there's nothing there. And then here, you guys, this is the little pumpkin that I was telling you about. I'm gonna decide where I'm gonna put that. This is my kitchen, so it comes with these two like lights right here. This is my sink. It's a very deep sink, which I love. Sorry, you guys, I already used it because I had to get my dog some water. This is one of the little like pull down faucets I love, and then it has settings for how you want the water to spray out. Those are just my keys that I picked up with some more information. Has some decent cabinet space. There's some cabinet space below the sink. Some cabinet space right here with some pull-out drawers. Of course, it comes with a dishwasher. And then here is gonna be my stove area. There's some good cabinet space. Since it's just gonna be me living here, I do not need a lot. So here's my stove. I'm so glad I got one of these type of stoves. I don't like those stoves that you have to like pull apart to clean. It's just too much for me. And then there's some more cabinet space with my microwave. There's the microwave. Here is my refrigerator. Haven't even opened it, but we're gonna open it up. Has a freezer on top with a little ice maker. Here's my fridge below. They already cleaned my apartment, but you know your girl is gonna go through and wipe everything down before I put anything in there. And then one thing I love about this kitchen is the little like wine casing area up here. It is so cute. I'm definitely going to fill it with some wine bottles. I'm gonna need a stool though as well because your girl's not gonna be able to reach that. All right, you guys, and this is my living room area. This is going to be my, it's not really gonna be my dog's area right here. I just put my dog's bed right there for the meantime so she can start to get acquainted with the place. I definitely plan to put like some island chairs right here, couch situation over here. My apartment does also come with ceiling fans, which I am so grateful for because I had a tower fan back home that I had to leave in Florida because it wouldn't fit in my car. And then these are kind of like the switches that you use to operate the lights in the fan. And then this switch here just turns on like the light for the entryway. This is my balcony area. There's a lot of sunlight, so I definitely plan to put like some stuff out here. It has a little outlet, and then it overviews my apartment. I'm gonna have to look into like some little blockage because I don't want little Miss Thing trying to get through the cracks. And going into the rest of the apartment, this is where I control my thermostat. So right here is like one of the first doors in the little walkway. It's just some storage space here, so I'll definitely be storing different things here. Who knows, we'll see as I go along. And then this is actually the door to my bathroom. I'm gonna go in there in a second. Right across from the storage space is going to be my bedroom. And my bedroom is all carpet, which I don't mind at all. And again, another ceiling fan. Your girl loves that. She definitely is gonna need it. So this is my bedroom space. And then through here is my bathroom. There's 2 doors to get through to the bathroom. That was one of them. When you come into the bathroom, I'm gonna see if I can get these light fixtures changed out because it's giving like an orange yellow vibe in here that I don't like. But right here is just some storage space for the bathroom. Definitely where I will put all of my toiletries and anything else. Here is my bathroom area. As you can see, there's quite a bit of cabinet space, a nice mirror for me. I love that. All right, you guys, so that is my quick little apartment tour. It wasn't gonna be very long because it's just little old me here in this apartment. I have a 1-bedroom, but it's more than enough space for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little empty apartment tour. Stay tuned because I have a lot of content coming up. Of course, once I get everything furnished, I will definitely do another furnished apartment tour, but that's gonna be, you know, a little bit later on down the line. Before you guys head out, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, babes. What you got?